Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to compare Kospet Prime versus Lemfo LEM10. As you can see, we have both of these smartwatches right here, and we did show you before how to connect it with Android and iOS, and we did the video when we unboxed it. So if you want to see that, go ahead, click the link, will be in the description. Go ahead in our channel, you can see all these stuff. Today is the day when we compare two of these smartwatches. We have showed you before the Kospet Prime. So let's go ahead, see the specifics of Kospet Prime first, and then we will do some tests and we will show you the software of both of these smartwatches, and then we will discuss about the good things and the bad things of these smartwatches. So let's go first with Kospet Prime, and then we'll see the LEM10 as well. As you can see, we have now here the Kospet Prime with 1.6-inch super large full touch screen display. We have a very clear display in the Kospet Prime. We are using Android 7.1.1. we have 1260 mAh polymer battery, and we have a dual camera. We have the 2 megapixel front camera and the 8 megapixel side camera. We have 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of RAM in the Kospet Prime. We have also 9 different sports mode, GPS navigation, and we have other functions that we can see in this video. So as we know, we have the front camera. The Kospet Prime has a Face ID unlock that we will test in the future of this video. As we can see, the camera sits right here and it works really good. So let's go ahead, do some tests about these smartwatches, and then we come to a conclusion which one is better. And now we have here the Kospet Prime. As we go through one by one, we have here this beautiful 1.6-inch screen. As we said in the beginning, we can see the front 2 megapixel camera, 2 buttons in the side that serve for power it on and off, and some shortcuts. Also this beautiful watch face, as you can see right here. Also same as the smartwatch, we can change faces just by pressing it and holding it. And now we have different choices starting from Kospet faces and some faces that we downloaded. As you can see now here, down we have some activities or data for activities that we done while we are wearing the watch. Up we have the taskbar with some information about our watch. We have here time, date, day, percentage of battery, and we have the sign for Bluetooth and SIM card as well. And we have some shortcuts, as you can see right here, for do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and different stuff. Also we have cleaner and music control here in this page. In the left we have notifications, and in the right we have the menu. As you can see, the menu will start from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Maps, Assistant, System Optimization, App Store, and Face Unlock in the end of the menu. As you can see, we have here now the LEM10 and some specifics about the LEM10 that we are going to show you or tell you are that the LEM10 comes with two different variations for memory or storage. We have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM, or 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of RAM or storage. This one that we have right here is the 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, so it's back to the max. The LEM10 is using Android 7.1 and it has Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, all this kind of stuff. It supports 4G SIM card, and we have different types of cards that we are able to put in the LEM10. Also, the GPS is used, for example, while you're hiking or doing something else that is required to be able to use it, or in case you need one to orient yourself. As you can see, we have a 1.82 inch full mount screen with 1700 polythium battery, which is enough maybe for some people in this watch, because this watch won't last more than 2 days from battery while you're using it, because it has this giant screen and it has multiple functions that drain the battery really fast. Some of our fans are not excited about this battery, but honestly, when you see the options of this smartwatch, it's wonderful what this watch is capable of. So you can see in the first page we have this beautiful colorful screen. As you can see here in the top, we have the last heart rate. Down we have steps that we did. Here in this corner we have burned calories, and in the top we have percentage of battery. In the middle we have date and time also. We can change this watch face just by pressing it and holding it. We have different ones. If you want more simple, add bright, or you have quite a few more faces and you can change them for your own preference. Also, you are able to download it more. So let's begin. Here in the left we have notifications. Up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, a logo of Bluetooth and SIM card. You can see that we don't have any SIM card right now because you can see the X that is right in the logo. In the right of taskbar we have some shortcuts for brightness, mobile network, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, do not disturb, and different things. We have cleaner and music control here, also the weather in the end. Then we have some sports data or activities data. You can see all the days of the week, and while you're using it you can see your activities in each day individually. In the right side we have the menu. As you can see here we have quite a few apps and other things, starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, music, downloads, calendar, browser, camera. We have gallery, clock, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitoring, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, and we have map, assistant, Google Translate, YouTube, system optimization, App Store, and Instagram. So in case you don't know, we have here a 2 megapixel camera. We have in the LEM10 Play Store that we can download stuff. We have Google Map, Google Translate, and we can download more stuff and more apps for us to use in daily basic while we are using it. As you can see, we downloaded the Instagram and YouTube. So this is one benefit for the LEM10. So let's go ahead, see how these apps works, and let's test some of the options that we saw right here. And now here we have the LEM10 in our hands. As you can see, we have here the menu already open up, and we have here heart rate first. Let's go ahead and test that. As you can see, we have here the results, and we have the results that we did before. Right here we have date and time. Let's go ahead to fitness. First one is outdoor running. Press here outdoor running and press go. Immediately it will start the seconds, kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and we have seconds per or minutes per kilometer. So you can see that these options work in the LEM10, and I don't think we have anything else to test while we are wearing it, so let's go ahead and take it off so I can show you better in this one. Let's go again to the menu, and here let's test Instagram and YouTube that we downloaded. We're going to go first in Instagram, and as you can see, we have here our profile opened up. We can see pictures and other things in Instagram, or go to the profile and see all the photos that we post. If you haven't followed us in Instagram yet, go ahead and follow. This is our Instagram. So as you can see, it really works really good. We have here YouTube. Let's go ahead and play a non-copyright song, and let's see how the LEM10 performs. We have here a non-copyright music. You can see how everything works perfectly, even the full screen. You can watch videos like you watch in your phone normally without any problem at all. So now that we saw both of these devices, specification and tests, and all the things that they can do, we can decide for ourselves which one do you think is better for you. And honestly, it's hard to choose between these two watches. I like them both. We have the dual camera or two camera in the Kospet Prime. The selfie one, or the first one, is 2 megapixel, and the other is 8 megapixel. We have the camera in the side, and we have a 2 megapixel front camera as well in the LEM10. But we have the Face ID recognition or face unlock in the Kospet Prime, which is a very good thing to have. It's very rare in smartwatches. And we have a better battery in Kospet as well. We know that in the LEM10 has a bit weak battery, but if you see in the performance, they both are really good. They both do almost the same things, so it's hard to choose. I will let you choose this time. Comment down below which one do you think is better and why. I will read all these comments and have a discussion with you guys. So this was all for today's video in Kospet Prime versus LEM10. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next time.